Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. Got a little bit of an announcement here. So, as quite a few of you know, and quite a few of you have figured out over the years, I also, besides running Green Iron TV here, I have been the one that runs DeltaTeamDecals.com, which is the site for military markings. So that you can do a restoration on your vehicle. So I've been providing those markings for years. And of course, this summer when we had that terrific fire at the dealership that I own, I lost all my vinyl cutters and all my production equipment and all that stuff. And I've had to have the Delta Team Decal site shut down for several months now. But here's what the big announcement is, and that is we are back open. So I've been able to get some new equipment, some new, hardware, and some new pieces, and we are back up and running. So I have turned that website back on, and we are now back open for orders. And of course, we just reopened this week, and already several orders have been coming through. I do want to thank my buddy Mark, who I've known for several years and is a good friend, who's done a lot of restorations. He was the first one to hit me up, and he was the lucky one to have the very first set roll off the new vinyl cutter. So with that though, I do want to say thank you for everybody that was patient while we were down. It was a stressful time, and we are glad to be back up and running. And be able to get out there with. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions of people as to why I never really associated Green Iron with Delta Team Decals. And I have a couple reasons for that. One of them is that I don't want my videos to feel like an infomercial, that I'm trying to push something on you guys and sell you guys something. My whole intent for the Green Iron TV was purely informational for people that are doing restorations and work on historic military vehicles. So that's why I tried to keep them separate. But at this point in time, I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, the Delta Teams is back open, and we are taking orders, and we can get your stuff going right away. So, a little bit of history. I've been running the Delta Teams decals over 20 years now. It started way back. Started basically 21 years ago when I restored this 715 truck. And of course, I had a vinyl cutter and all the equipment at the one business I owned at that point in time. And so once I did the restoration, I did some research, looked up how the markings were to be made, which ones go on the vehicle, stuff like that. Did a little bit of research and stuff like that. Found out all the sizing, all the spacing, all that type of stuff, and made myself my very own set of decals, which are the decals that are on this truck still. And of course, back in the day then, I posted on the M715 zone, which was the go-to website, and it's still one of the good go-to websites for these M715 vehicles. I posted pictures of the truck once I had it all done. And of course, one of the things that popped up was a lot of questions on, hey, where did you get your markings from? Who made your markings? Yada, yada, yada. And so I started, by word of mouth, making markings for other guys on the website, and charging them a little bit here and there. And it kind of grew and grew. And as I expanded and bought more vehicles and did more restoration myself, I would incorporate those vehicles, and I would do a little more research on those vehicles and develop the markings for those vehicles and keep adding them into my repertoire on the Delta Team decal site, in which I kind of evolved into. I first had a cheesy little website that was a local provider site type of deal that just basically had some basic information, a couple basic pictures to bind the DeltaTeamDecals.com website, and kind of making a website from there. And of course, hey, I know it's no great monstrosity of a website. It is very basic, but guess what? I don't pay very much for that website. I do it all myself. I do the development, I do the layout, I do all that type of stuff. And of course, that keeps costs nice and low. And of course, that low cost translates into me being able to keep lower costs on my decals and paint mask sets. So it's basically a savings I'm passing on to you guys. So, but anyway, as the site grew and progressed, I expanded in. I've done a lot of research over the years, gone through a lot of the different manuals, on markings, because, let's face it, in the military, everything is laid out. They have very specific procedures on markings, and so 20 some years of research of how to do that has led me to the position where I am a fairly knowledgeable person on military markings, how they go, where they're supposed to be applied, how they're made up, the numberings and stuff like that. So over the years, I've helped numerous people basically decipher things, everything from hood numbers and what they should be or what they could be for that potential vehicle, to bumper unit markings, either markings that they uncovered on the vehicle as they restored it, or making markings to replicate a family member or that served, or other things like that. And so as that's progressed over the years, that's just keeps building and building and building. And I have quite the reference material, and the ability to look into types of markings, stuff like that. And of course, over the years, that has allowed me to also do custom stuff for guys. So besides making stuff that is 100% military correct, I've made stuff for promotions for businesses, that are using a military vehicle, museums, custom markings like the spare tire disc on my M38A1. That's all stuff I've designed and developed over the years, and I continue to do that type of stuff. There are some obscure. There's a naval warfare unit marking from the East Coast. It is basically like a triangle with a shark with lightning bolts, and someone had an obscured picture of it half faded on a piece of equipment, and we were able to take that and develop and basically redesign and rebuild that marking for them. And of course, like our CB logo. So when I make a CB's logo, that came right from a stencil that was basically given to me by a member of the U.S. Navy Seabees, and it was their official stencil. And so my CB stencil for either paint mask or the decal is dead on exactly what the Seabees had. So just little bits and pieces like that I've developed over the years, and just want to continue to provide that excellent service for our customers over the years. Like I said, it started with the 715. I did my Deuce and a half, my M37, the ambulance, the M725 ambulance, my M38A1, So besides, I really kind of, my specialty is in the M series stuff, and, the 50s, 60s, 70s. But I have done everything from, modern stuff, Humvees and tons of vehicles like that. So we got Humvees. I've done 1008s and HEMITs. I did some stuff, generators and stuff like that for the big new modern generators, bits and pieces. And then of course all the way back into the World War II stuff. I've done tons of MB Jeeps, GPW Jeeps, WC series Dodge Command cars and WC, cargo trucks, CCKWs, several half tracks. I've done markings on several half tracks for a lot of good guys, and stuff like that. And so I have a little bit of knowledge of everything. Of course, doesn't mean I'm the most knowledgeable person, but I know enough to get myself in trouble, and I know myself enough that I am going to do some research and make sure that I can make you the most accurate marking that you want. But that also means that, hey, I want a little bit of help. So I get these guys all the time. Just make me a set of markings. Well, I need a little bit of help. What do you want it to represent? What time period? What are your hood registration numbers? What are your bumper unit markings that you want to go with? What units do you want to represent? What time period? A lot of times once I just give me a little push, a little help, and from there I can develop and go on from there and there. But like I said, the big thing is I really just wanted to throw this quick video out there, letting you guys know that the website, which is DeltaTeamsDecals.com, it's back open and taking orders, and we've been pumping out orders all week. And if you have any special needs for military markings or paint masks, hit me up, man. Like I said, I've done all kinds of custom stuff, and we'll get you taken care of. And we have a really quick turnaround. My goal is usually to try and, after an order is paid for, my goal is 2 days to have it in the mail. So that's my goal, and we try our best to meet that goal. And we want to get things going for people right away, and get people to enjoy their vehicle, and nothing makes the vehicle look finished off like a great set of markings. So hit me up, and we'll get you all going. So of course, today is Halloween, so I think the plan is, I do live out in the country a bit, and so there's obviously not any trick-or-treaters that are going to be coming by the door. So I think the wife and I were going to load up in the ambulance, and we're going to head into town, and we're going to set up in town with the ambulance, and set up and pass out some candy. So that'll be a fun evening for us, and something we enjoy. But in the meantime, I do want to say thank you guys for watching. I know this is kind of a quick and kind of an odd video for the Green Iron TV channel, but I did feel it was important, and I did want to use this opportunity to get the word out that yes, that the Delta Teams Decal website is back up and running, and that gives you all the opportunities to get your decal and your paint mask marking orders in, and especially right now, I know it's fall and people are starting to bring their stuff in from the summer, and work on it for the winter. I know the spring is usually a really busy time for us, because people have worked on their projects all winter, and they're ready for those finishing touches. So we are all set. And of course, I do want to mention that that I do use all professional equipment, and I do use all professional product. So all the vinyl is professional grade. I use all high-end stuff. from 3M, FDC, and Avery Dennison. All are professional grade vinyl and paint mask material. Matter of fact, the vinyl is, it's all a 7-year outdoor exposed guaranteed vinyl. And of course, some of this vinyl, if it's well cared for, like I said, this vinyl here is 20 years old. So we do use all high-end stuff. I am not using the wife's Cricut and the cheap stuff from Amazon and stuff like that. So just rest assured, when you buy the stuff from Delta Team Decals, you are getting quality stuff that is going to last and is going to look awesome on your vehicle for a very, very long period of time. So, like always, hey, I want to say thanks to you guys. Do take a moment, check out the link in the description down below for the Green Iron TV merchandise store, hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts, all kinds of cool things. I do want to give you a little bit of update. I was on there recently and noticed that a bunch of the colors from the t-shirts that were selected had been discontinued, which left a lot of the t-shirts unavailable, which I didn't realize. And of course, it would have been nice if the company would have sent me any kind of notification that those products were being discontinued and that I needed to change to a different shirt brand to keep it going. So if anybody's out there been waiting to or trying to order any of the t-shirts and you find they seem to be all out of stock, I am sorry about that. It should all be corrected. It did mean we did have to change some of the colorways around a little bit on some of the t-shirts, but hopefully you can find something that you like in there, because it is coming up on the holiday season, and what a better gift to get for that person in your family that's really into their green iron, but some cool t-shirts and hats and sweatshirts. So like always, I do want to thank you guys for following along. I know we are gearing up. We got Veterans Day parade coming up, and we're going to be gearing up for that. So that'll be coming up soon here on the Green Iron TV channel. But in the meantime, I want to thank you guys for following along. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that crazy stuff that makes YouTube continue on. And of course, like always, thanks for watching and have a great afternoon.